Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to block YouTube channels. First, open the YouTube app on your phone or head over to youtube.com if you're using a desktop or laptop. Once you're on the home or browse page, you'll see video recommendations that YouTube thinks you might like. Suppose this particular type of content doesn't appeal to me at all. How do I remove it from recommendations? Simply tap the three dots on the right side of that video. From here, you'll see a few different options. If you select Not Interested, YouTube will remove that video and reduce similar content from appearing in your future browse feed, so you shouldn't see that type of content anymore. Now, if you've already checked out a specific channel and realized that you don't like any of the content they make, there's another option you can use. Again, click the three dots next to one of their videos and choose Don't Recommend Channel. This will stop that channel's videos from appearing in your browse feed entirely instead of just filtering out one type of content. But you should know that though this channel will be removed from your recommendations page, it can still appear when searching for similar content. Next, let's say you're dealing with negative or unwanted comments from a specific user on your own channel. Aside from reporting comments, you can click into that user's channel, tap the three dots in the top right corner, and select Hide User from My Channel. This will hide all future comments from that user and prevent them from interacting with your videos. This also applies to live streams, so their comments won't appear there either. Unfortunately, there's still no way on YouTube to completely block someone's channel, so for now, these are the best workarounds available. If anything changes in the future, I'll make sure to keep you updated. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.